Hi, it's Rayleigh here, Sunfly Stitcheries and Quilting, inviting you, if you are into embroidery, into a project that you can get your teeth into or your needles into over the next 6 months. So this is a 6-month block of the month, but you're going to get 2 designs every month to create the Floral Hearts table center. So the stitches that we've got involved in this project are, let's have a look. We've got blanket stitch, chain stitch, bullion knots, French knots, fly stitch, feather stitch, satin stitch, lazy daisy stitch, pistol stitch, and stem stitch. So if you are keen to have something like this ready for your table next February, because we're filming this in June of 2022, if you are interested in this project, then I'll put all the links below and you can sign up, and it starts on July the 1st. So at the end of it, you have 5 months worth of designs, 2 a month, sent to you for 5 months. And then the last month will be the instructions to put it all together, time to finish it. So hopefully you have it done ready for February next year and you can put it on your table. Now we've done ours in a linen type heart and a floral background, but you don't have to do that. You can do whatever you like. You can have a darker background, you could have a black background, you could have a plain bit of fabric here so that your stitching stands out as well. Whatever you like. Remember, you can make this entirely your own style. So we have kits available on the website in the colors that we have here, and we've been developing some alternate colorways, so have a look for those as well. And there might be some colors there that catch your eye. Tell you what, if you like French knots, have a look at that one. They're very cool. So this is the Floral Hearts block of the month. It starts on July the 1st, and we're hoping that you will have this ready for your table in February 2023. If you're watching this at another time, it is on our website, and we will do the Floral Hearts block of the month again, but let me know if you're interested and we can get you stitching. Just as a reminder, we will be having videos so that if you are a confident beginner, so you haven't completely just started doing embroidery, but you've done a little bit, then this project is certainly doable by you. We will be having videos to support how to do each of the stitches so that you can feel confident. Watch the video and then go ahead and stitch that heart. So each of the stitches will be demonstrated for you, and they'll appear on this channel as well, and hopefully you'll have a completed project next year. So I encourage you to sign up. It's called Floral Hearts, and we're starting on the 1st of July.